Welcome back, continuing the news now. And we begin this segment with an item of news just in. Now, the health ministry is reporting that the island recorded another 6 confirmed cases of COVID-19, bringing the total number of confirmed cases in the island to 550. Now, 5 of the 6 new cases are from the repatriated Jamaicans, 1 arriving from the United Kingdom on May 6 and 4 via cruise ship at the Falmouth Pier on May 19. Now, the ministry is also reporting that recoveries hit the 200 mark in the last 24 hours as 9 more Jamaicans were released from care. The island now has a 36% recovery rate. The police are raising concerns this evening about the lack of physical distancing practices in the St. Andrews South Division. Commanding officer for the division, Senior Superintendent Wayne Cameron, highlighted the issue during the distribution of care packages today. SSP Cameron said the police continue to deal with the lack of adherence to the health minister's guidelines.
No, they're not practicing the social distance, and it's difficult to get it in place. So we hope for the rest of today we can, do a better show with that part of it, the handling of it. But it's not been practiced. It's not for want of trying to get it into place and talking to them. We'll just have to press on.
Some 468 packages were distributed to residents of 5 communities in the division, including Painland, Delacree Park, Union Gardens, and Caribbean Palms. The packages were donated by the private sector organization of Jamaica, the PSOJ. And SSP Cameron is appealing to residents to help in the recapture of the division's most wanted man.
The first one that comes to mind is the last of our escapees. From our lockup, Michael Ellis, still out there. I've not been able to find him. We have made quite a few attempts to find him. He has escaped a few drag nets that we have set for him. We are still appealing to persons out there. Anywhere Michael Ellis is seen, please give us a call. We need to put him back behind bars.